Hi, welcome to Device Tech Tip channel. Today's topic might be boring for some, which is YouTube subtitles or closed caption. I have a couple of students who might need this tutorial, so I'm targeting very narrow viewers this time. So let's get started. Go to YouTube site like you normally do. And search what you like in the search bar. Let's say you're looking for my video. Type fake Costco phishing emails. And a list of results will show up. Just under the description of each video, you will see a little CC. This stands for closed captions and means subtitles. New means newly posted video. As you can see, not all the videos have subtitles because it is time consuming for YouTubers to create, edit, and publish their subtitles. I create them myself, but it takes a long time to edit and display them at the right timing. Let's say you're looking for videos with subtitles only. You can scroll up to the top and click on Filter. It will give you different options. Under the features, you can see subtitles / closed captions. Once you click that, it will filter all the videos and will list up fake Costco phishing email videos only with subtitles. Let's click on my video to find out how to turn the subtitles. By default, subtitles are not turned on. At the bottom of YouTube bar, you can see CC button. You may not have realized this button existed. This is the button to enable subtitles created by YouTubers. As soon as you click on it, a red line shows under the CC button and will turn the subtitles on. Also, if the YouTuber created more than one subtitles, enable them using this gear-like icon. When you click it, it will give you other options such as quality and playback speed. For now, click on Subtitles. It lists up the subtitles that I created, which is English and Japanese. If I click on Japanese, it will turn Japanese subtitles on. You can also choose auto-translate to different language subtitles. But those are usually mechanical or robotic translation and not very accurate. Just enough to understand it. Let me play my video with subtitles turned on. These are accurate to each of my words because I edited them. Now you know how to turn it on. That's the end. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos.